Hi, this is Kathy with SensiblyEssential.com, and I'm going to talk about and make very quickly, very fast, I want to show you what I do with, I have a sleep cream that I rub on my feet every single night. I have really hard time sleeping, staying asleep, sleeping sound, so this is my, I don't even know. I mean, it's amazing because I sleep so much better, so much more deep. And sleep is so good for us. And so, this is mine. It's already made, and I just wanted to show you how it looks. But this is what I do. I get organic coconut oil. I use the containers, but as far as a recipe, for every tablespoon of coconut oil, about 5 drops. So this is a lot more than 1 tablespoon. So after you experiment, add more oils if you would like, but just roughly per tablespoon of coconut oil, do 5 to 7 drops of essential oil. Okay, so in mine, I have, and another good thing to do is have this this kind of coconut oil. It's hard, kind of hard, not hard, but it's hard to mix if it's in this state because, like I said, it's pretty thick. So you can melt it in a double boiler, or when it's 100 degrees like it is today, just stick it outside for like 3 seconds and it's melted, and it will reconstitute. So it will turn back into this when it hits, cool air again. But anyway, that's just a tip. But anyway, so mine has lavender, valor, and clary sage. So I would want to do at least 3 tablespoons so that I could put 5 of lavender, 5 of valor, and 5 of clary sage. So that's mine. That's that. Okay, so this is going to be my husband's. This little bottle, it's a little roller bottle, and this is a little funnel that I use. I have already half full with grapeseed oil. So this, I'm going to say the same thing for every tablespoon, 5 drops. Okay. So in his, we're going to put valor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Valor has, it's a thicker oil, so it comes out a little slower. Anyway, so, and then I'm going to put 5 of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lavender comes out very fast. And then the copaiba. This comes in also in your premium starter kit. It's a magnifier. It intensifies other oils. So I'm going to use 5 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 6 came out. Okay, so that's that. See how quick and easy that is? And I'm going to experiment with this. Now, this, for my husband, he sleeps fine, trust me. This is his snore cream. He's so loud sometimes. So, he gets this. And it's not, the loudness is not as intense. The length of time that he's loud is a lot shorter. So try this and see if you get a quieter night's sleep.